the noise, cut the chatter, only number, only data. Tailor suit, late trade, no sweat. Eyes on the chart, that candle set. They've been solid through the storms and the scares. Every year, same calm in the flesh. Top shelf plans, every tear, that's facts. Blueprint clean, every wrist contact. When I scale, it's a ladder, not a bed. Every rung got steel in the step. You want proof? Check the curve, not the talk. See the line stay smooth, while the rest just walk deep fun. Deep roots in the ground, in a world full of shakes. They don't move when it's loud. Alpha futures, where the sky feels small. Best drawdown in the game and it still stars. Alpha futures, when the screens glow gold. Every live plan hitting, every hand stays cold. Alpha futures, yeah, that's where I'm sold. Alpha futures, yeah, that's where I'm sold. Text so clean, feel the speed in the scroll. No lag, no drag, full control. Execution like a lock on a vault. Click once, tight spread, no fall. I seen markets turn savage in an hour. Watch weak funds fold, lose power. They just glide through the waves, never shake. Same name, same strength, no break. You want calm in the rush, in the race. You want time, you want room, you want space. Deep funds, deep roots in the ground. In the field full of noise, they don't mimic the crowd. Future, where the sky feels small. Best drawdown in the game and it still stars. Alpha future, when the screens glow gold. Every life plan hitting, every hand stays cold. Alpha future, yeah, that's where I'm sold. Alpha future, yeah, that's where I'm sold. Years in the fight, they refine, they remain. Names come and go, they engrave in the frame. If I'm putting on a tux for the kill shot and move, oh yeah, it's their badge on the inside, stitched in a suit, yeah. Alpha futures, where the sky feels small. Best drawdown in the game and it still stars. Alpha futures, when the screens glow gold. Every live plan hitting, every hand stays cold. Alpha futures, write the script, play the role. Alpha futures, yeah, that's where I'm sold. I could see a green line if I went blind, and every low is a higher low. And if you don't know, now you know. Ooh, I'm blessed. If you see me on the rise, don't be surprised, and every low is a higher low. And if you don't know, now you know. Now you know. At the bottom with my people, we gon' build us up a steeple. We just need a ladder, yeah, a long ladder. At the bottom with my people, we gon' build us up a steeple. We just need a ladder, yeah, a long ladder. Ooh, I'm blessed. I could see a green line if I went blind, and every low is a higher low. And if you don't know, now you know. Ooh, I'm blessed. If you see me on the rise, don't be surprised, and every low is a higher low. And if you don't know, now you know. Now you know. Man, I just dropped a couple hundred.
This live show is for educational purposes only and is not financial or investment advice. Only trade with money you can afford to lose. All commentary represents personal opinions. You are solely responsible for your own trading decisions and outcomes. Do your own research and consult a qualified financial professional. Viewing this show does not create an advisor-client relationship.
Welcome to the happy hour, everybody. What's up?
Yo,
Yeah.
what's good, man? Trying to buy these accounts really quick.
I I have good news and I have bad news.
Talk to me.
I'm joking. They're good news. Well, the bad news that I don't have any challenges. The good news that they're all passed.
That's good. Yeah, I don't have any challenges either. That's why I was low key like, let me buy leave out really quick.
I passed all my accounts today. Like,
Yeah, I have like 8 funded accounts right now.
I think I'm at 18.
That's litty. That's
You said
fucking
I've
litty.
blown 25. Don't forget to use code BDM. 25 is crazy. Yo, I did go crazy today. Like, this is what I was thrive on. Like, for real, like, I'm undefeated on Thursdays. Like, I literally need to have an account that I only trade on Thursdays because, like, it's my best day. My RR to pass evals, I have no idea. It varies a lot. Like yesterday when I was on stream with you guys, I threw 10 minis and the max loss for the day was 2,000, but like at that point I don't even use a stop loss. Because I know it's gonna take me out at 2 grand. So it's kind of like I'm willing to risk the whole 2,000, but then I have another 2,000 because the buffer is 4,000. So it's kind of like, all right, I have 2 shots at 10 minis. So the RR would be about 1 to 4, 1 to 5, maybe. Because then I need 9 grand to pass. But with 10 minis, you gotta have like a sniper entry though. And sometimes I will throw a 5 and then I'll throw another 5. Sometimes I'll throw like a 3 and then a 5 and then add on. So like it really varies. Like it depends on my entry.
How was your trade today, Izzy and Coach? I mean, yeah, I passed 5 Apexes today, made 900 on the PAs and 400 on the Lucids. So we did pretty good. Or 380 something on the Lucid.
I made 100 bands.
I remember Coach saying 2 minis is letting, bro, no, I say 40 micros is letting my nuts in.
It's 4 minis. 40
Yeah,
micros, 4 minis. Izzy has balls of titanium.
I go 20 micros all the time.
You know, on my PAs, I don't. I only go 1 mini at a time. I do mentorship / classes. If mods, whoever is in here, if you can throw them my my course. So you get the classes once you purchase the course. So you get access to my VIP section on the Discord. And we live trade the afternoon twice a week. And we have a Q&A / mindset reset on Sundays. And I'm thinking about doing a sniper series. So I need to see how I want to do that. Yeah, I only trade ICT. That is not my main. That is my only system. I don't do orb. I don't do beds. I don't do nothing else. Oh my god.
Longs looking saucy or shorts? Y'all know me, bro. I have entries for both. I need to see it hit my areas of interest for me to take a sell, and I need to see area of interest for me to take a buy.
Believe it or not, I don't have a bias right now. Like,
Yeah.
we could very well go up like a smidge bit for Asia, or we could continue these shorts. I'm probably like 50-50. Bro. Okay, you guys saw that, right? Chill the fuck
I'm
out.
boy doing it right. I mean, it ain't nothing but a little bit of straightening.
Lay the fuck down.
It ain't nothing but a little bit of straightening.
Fuck.
You gotta let them fade it out. You wanna see the
Don't
chart
fucking
that
hit me with his sister. Like, god damn. They're just playing. They don't actually get on scuffles. Oh shit, that was me. Yeah, I need to put my chart up. I forgot.
Let's see what I want to see. What I want to see. What I want to see.
Do depending on what I want to see too. Hold on, let me do a quick like. Let me see. Ugh.
Ready to range
I want
that
to see
word?
long. I think I want to see longs. I would be very much so interested in this area right here if we could reach this overnight and then continue to sell. I think that's what I want to see because that's the only thing I actually see, to be quite honest.
You talking like 590?
Unless right here, what is this? 747. Let me look at YM.
You said 747?
Am I tripping? 2 4 7 4. Where is it? I'm gonna put the red line. Right here.
Oh.
750.
A whole 200 points away. You're saying that's what you're trying to take longs too?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I was about to say.
YM is showing no signs of fucking attemption of reversal right now, bro. This shit just wants to go straight down. Nothing.
Market opens in about 20 seconds.
And then we have this 4-hour gap right here. We could hold that. That is the only thing that I see that we could hold it and these go up.
Like we're flying up a little bit.
I want to be very patient today because I don't like whenever I don't know what I want to see, I want to be a little bit more patient.
Definitely a little volatile. Close under my level, I'm going to test a short. If we close under my level. All right, we closed underneath. We test it and see what can happen. A little pullback, boom. I went in light, but if it hits If it goes back to retest that, I will jump in heavier. It's like it's making, look like it's kind of making its way down. I'm taking a partial at 21. We can get there. No fuckery.
That's too much to ask.
You get that no fuckery. Give me that drop.
I put my stop super fucking tight because, like, I don't know.
Rate 73 off that drop. Good shit. Good shit.
750 off that.
No, he said 73.
Oh,
$73.
about to say. He's like, I have balls of titanium. Y'all motherfuckers are like.
I like that wick out. We could just continue now. That'll be fucking
Yeah.
good. Great.
That'll be great, bro. I don't like that. No, I'm not later today.
See what this is doing, man. Might want to come back and retest that gap.
Yeah, I'm thinking about. I'm not gonna close, but I put my stops like pretty much like a few points away. Because I do see wanting to retest the gap, and I can't go break even just yet.
Yeah, that's why I went light. Because if it goes back in that, if it retests that gap, I don't mind adding to my position.
Bro, you're stressing me out. Stop. It literally touched my entry and rejected the fuck out of it.
That's always good news.
Let
Too
me
many
put.
working
I'm
dollars.
not looking at the chat. I think my entry was around here. I don't fucking know. My stop. Wait, I'm at the 30 seconds. That's why I couldn't see. My entry was right here, and my stop is literally, I think, right here. 5 points, and I'm targeting this. That is exactly where my stops are.
See, we can get a continuation, man. YouTube, what's that word, man? How we doing?
I knew it. I fucking knew it. I knew we were gonna come back.
Just started a 5-minute too.
Oh no, I lost $73.
Damn, see, the person that made 73, bro, you made 73. Somebody lost 73.
My life is ruined. I don't want to trade anymore.
$73 loss. What is life? What is life, man? This can't be life. Snoop
should
Lion, what's
just
that
quit.
word? You know, this age of fuckery.
I don't even like this trade, to be quite honest. I should have just pressed sell at the open. Like, I think that was that would have been a cleaner entry to me than whatever the fuck this is doing right now. Like, as fucking wild as that may be. We're retesting the gap right now. I see. I told you longs.
That
I think
shit
that's
fucking
why.
exploded.
Yeah, did.
All right, yeah, we're testing this 5 minute now.
5 minute what? I can't see shit. Oh, I see it now. I don't think that's gonna do anything. That was a pretty explosive move, I think. Could be wrong. But we're closing above the gap right now. So like
122, good shit, bro. Good shit, brody.
if we close above that, I think I might test fives. I just see a closure. I just see something. I just see something a little bit more solid than this. Then drop down to 1 minute. I am not entering. I'm marking. I'm trying to see if we close above that. Because I think this is pretty indecisive right now. I don't know which way I'll want to see this go.
Pressing at my front door. Who the hell is that? Oh, I was gonna say on him. I was finna say, homie. I love how that 5 minute looks. Not gonna lie.
5 minutes. Let me look at it. Oh, okay. I see.
5 minute respected the gap, and it's just like if you get a close under what is this 60 in the next 3 seconds, that'll be lovely.
That 1 minute gap might be respected. That's what I'm kind of
We
like.
gotta see if this 1 minute respects.
Yeah.
That old lady probably coach trying to get them joints lubricated.
Lubricated is
Hey,
crazy.
joints lubricated is wild work, yo. I'm not gonna lie. Joy's lubricated is wild work, bro. I'm pretty sure she has like a fucking husband or something, bro.
I'm dead.
Past 5 TBT, 50K on that pump back up to 11 funders now between Alpha TBT and TraderFi. Good shit, bro. Good shit. Oh, that looks like a woman. My bad. Good shit, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Good shit, ma'am.
YM looks, I think, a little bit cleaner for the cells.
That's a dude, really? Oh shit! I had it right the first time, Brody. Good shit, Brody. If I didn't click your profile, I just seen it from far away. Respectfully.
Respectfully. Look at this YM on the 15 minutes, how beautiful it looks.
You said YM on the 15?
Yeah.
See what YM look like, man. Oh yeah, that shit looks amazing for sales. Yeah, that shit looks really good. And Q just not playing ball, per usual.
And that's why I'm like, what is YM doing if NQ is not going to play ball?
I mean, I'm low key still in there.
What, for shorts?
Yeah, if anything happens, I lose $100. So
I think
it
I'm going
is
to test some shorts on YM.
still in this bitch.
21 stop. 50-point take profit.
This is trolling.
The lower time frame looks like shit though. I have to stay on the 15 minutes. The other candles look outrageous. And Q, as per usual, doesn't know what the fuck he wants to do.
Literally. Let's get this move, man. Let's get this move, man. Get this fucking move, man.
The 30 seconds has this gap over here that he seems to be respecting though.
Not gonna lie, still holding the short. Yeah, I am too. I am too. Yeah, you know, Asia PA isn't always gonna bless us like yesterday's blessed us. This is what Asia really like. This is Asia's true colors right here.
True colors.
For real. This is what Asia's true color. Don't let yesterday fool you. It's the Asia I know. Good God.
What happened? Oh,
You don't see them buns?
now I see it. I was looking at the charts.
Oh. Lord have mercy. Lord have mercy. Inverse this fair value gap so I could feel at least a little better, man. Hold on. Let me see what we got. 15 minutes just closed. Who the fuck is this? It'd be the unsaved numbers be wanting shit. Should be crazy.
The unsafe numbers.
It's always the unsaved numbers that be wanting shit. Coach, hold your short. I am, brother. If I held it all this time, better believe I'm holding this bitch. I went through like 20 points of weathering. Fuck it, scale in then. I did. I did. DCA like a motherfucker.
Oh my god.
Right. Unsaved numbers have the most audacity, yeah, for sure.
The most of that. Oh my god. The worst is when you apply to get a loan, like how oh my god, when I applied to get my mortgage, I wanted to throw my phone in the fucking trash, bro. Everybody was like calling me. People that I didn't know. I started arguing with people. I was like, I already have a mortgage. They're like, well, a company. And he's like, well, but we can offer you probably a better deal, blah, 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 blah. I was like, where the fuck did you get my number? Like, did you like I was like, did I request this call? They're like, no. I was like, so don't fucking call me, bro.
You can call me, bro. You said it like that?
No, I know that was one that I actually cussed him out.
Hey, there we go. There
I
we
actually
go.
got in I got in on the shorts as soon as
There
we
we go.
were about to inverse. Like when
There
we
we go.
actually when we tapped right here, I got in.
Nice.
And I'm on a
nice.
YM too. So I'm riding both shorts.
You say you riding shorts?
I'm riding both. I'm doing YM and NQ right now.
Man, I'm only about 5'6". Am I tall enough to ride that ride? Y'all stupid as fuck. Coach, you acting fruity. I'm asking a woman, like, what are you talking about, man? What are you saying, bro? I didn't say I can ride too. I asked Izzy to ride me because I'm short. So I have to really explain the fucking. It was, bro, it's clear as day, bro.
That was me calling you for a mortgage. Oh my god.
I'm holding this bitch, taking a parcel
Where
at 20.
where do we want this to go? I'm thinking about just riding into the lows like 517. Not stress myself out.
Right. I have a fib level at 16.
Like right
So
here.
I'm gonna take this to about 20.
That's all I want to see. That's all I want. I don't want nothing else. I'm
Taking my first
straight.
parcels at 20. Really, wait, the exact number is 21. Or yeah,
I forgot
2150.
to put. I forgot to put. You know what? I need to split my screen. That's what I need to do. Oh my god, YM played ball so nicely. It literally just went straight. Oh, what a blessing. What a fucking blessing this thing is. Oh.
Right, Miss K911. 200 people in this bitch and only 30 something, like that's crazy work. Like I don't be blessing the guys. Like I don't be, you know? Right, you better get on their ass, Murphy Joe. You better get on their ass. Nah, coach, tell them keep that same energy for the giveaways. Right, right. Right.
Wait, which one is it? Oh, here, this one. Okay.
Bitch needs to motherfucking dump, bro.
I'm flip off to some whole ass shit right now.
TA today, question mark. Yeah, we got TAs today. We got TAs today. We got TA meetings today. Novo, you know damn well.
What?
They ain't listening to this shit, bro. I said it in their faces, and they still
What?
ain't listen. State your name, state your issue, shut the fuck up, let us embrace you.
Hmm.
Embrace you, my friend. And was like, all right, for sure. Yeah, my name is Brandon, and bro, I'm an overtrader, bro, and I don't know how the fuck to deal with it. I keep fucking trading, and bro, my girl doesn't like me because I'm a loser, and you know, shit like that. You gotta
My girl
shut
doesn't
up
like me. I'm gonna lose it.
and let us embrace you, man.
My girl doesn't like me because I'm a loser. It's crazy work.
You ain't letting me embrace you, gang.
That sounds kind of gay.
Pause, bro.
Step one, don't be a loser. Step two, don't
Pause.
steal your girlfriend's credit card to buy a funded account.
No. Do steal your girl's credit card to buy a funded account. Because when you get a payout, she ain't gonna remember none of that shit. Now, if you blow it,
You
hey,
know, you know, for damn sure they're gonna
y'all
blow
boys
that
sleeping on the
shit.
couch. Y'all boys sleeping on the couch at that point. It's a risk, bro, but hey.
It's a risk, but hey, 50-50.
I'm telling you, you gotta take a chance out here. Right, I'm never sleeping on the couch. That's so dead. Bitch, you gonna sleep on the couch. You the one, man. I'm sleeping in my bed. What did
How
I
did I
just
know
read?
Nas was gonna fucking do some hoe ass shit, bro?
What did I just read, gang?
What did you read?
I can't repeat that.
Where?
If I got pause for embrace you, I definitely can't read that. If I read that, bro, I'm gonna burn.
I'm gonna burn.
I blew 300 this week. I'm 17, still learning, but that payout calling my name, bro. The fact that you're trading at 17, keep going. If I knew about trading at 17, I ain't gonna lie, I'd be locked the fuck in. I'm not gonna lie. Coach, you bullish or bearish? Well, I just got taken out of my trade for 300. So I ain't so bearish no more. I ain't gonna lie to you. I was bearish till I wasn't. Now I'm conflicted, brother. I'm conflicted. I don't know what the fuck going on now, brother.
Oh my god, I literally just fucked up my whole trading view settings. Because I left so hard. Oh no. What did I
Shit is
do?
fucking flying.
Guys, I deleted my watch.
Made 300 on that, man. So we Gucci. We Gucci.
Fuck. What do I need to do? I don't know how to fix this.
Watch this shit. Strat 6, my bitch ass. But to be honest, it's breaking over this level. I feel like it does want to go up. Definitely does. I mean, I sniped that entry. Just didn't hold for full TP. But I'll take 300. I'm holding this till London session. Thank you. Come again. Good shit, bro. If you in the bias, yeah, hold it. Hold that motherfucker. Hold that motherfucker. It's okay, bro. I still love you. Izzy still my favorite though, for sure. For sure, my dog.
I knew we were going to do some hoe shit.
Yeah, by the time I'm 21, I'm gonna be up smoking big woods on these ninjas. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. With that attitude, you definitely will, bro. Trading at 17, bro, if I would started trading in high school, I probably would have said fuck graduation. I ain't gonna lie.
Fuck graduation.
Coach, are you in longs? No, brother. I just got taken out of my shorts. I'm considering a long. If we retest 61, I'll test the longs there. But until then, I'm not chasing nothing. Right, yeah, Jazz. But I was that's what I was shorting too for the sweep previous day low. We never swept it. So that's exactly what I was that was my target. The
Oh
sweep
my
of
god,
previous
the
day low.
sun finally came out.
Yeah, tap that bit for sure. Tap that bit for sure. I thought we was gonna come for the sweep and then do the buy. Pretty much the trade from yesterday.
Yeah, no. Asia is like, we are not going to take the lows and we're just gonna go straight up.
Right.
Asia behavior.
It is what it is. Looks like it wants to go back to test that 5 minute again. I mean, this 5 minute candle looks pretty fucking bullish. 15 minute just closed. Very fucking bullish.
Yep. Unless the breaker holds. It's not even a breaker, it's just structure.
We start getting some people up here too, so that's we actually have enough time to run the TA meetings. Because
Yeah.
you do it a little later, by that time we can only put like 2 people up here because of the timing.
Yeah. We'll talk and pause you guys as we see something, if there's anything. Because this is shit. I don't know what the fuck I'm doing trying to look for something in this. Dead ass.
All right, TA meetings. Want to come up? Want to come up from some site? State your name, state your issue, shut your ass up, let us embrace you.
Yo, Coach.
Yo.
I didn't hold up. Can you invite me in literally 5 seconds? I'm hopping on my phone, and like
Say it
because
again?
I don't have camera on my computer, but I can hop on my phone.
All right, go ahead.
All right. Oh, my camera's flipped. Let me flip it. Yo,
Yo,
what's good?
what's good? State your name, state your issue, shut your ass up, let us embrace you.
My name's Lucas, and I just started trading. Like I've been watching, I've been in the show like every morning. I've been on Asia. I've even done Euro Babes, even though it's like 1 a.m. I've been doing it September 28 when I started. Actually, like I think I joined the Discord on another account, and then my birthday was just literally on Monday. And I copped some accounts. And I'm learning. I'm using Llama's fibs, but my issue is I like on entries, like I know my levels because I've been doing just like nonstop, just analyzing just with you guys every morning, the Asia, and I know my levels, but the problem for me is just clicking the button, being just the confidence, with I guess associated with my trading.
So the confidence comes from, you say you're using the indicator?
No, I don't have a course or anything, but I have my own fibs, and I've seen like for example, my fibs. Lots of the time, I see them aligned with Llama, and I see strong rejection, strong. Because my personal trading, I like to do reversals and continuations off of the fibs. But to answer your question, no, I don't use indicators.
I could have sworn you said P2P indicator. I'm tripping.
No, I just said I use fibs, just like Lama. And you, Coach?
Oh, well, you being scared to click the button means that you're not confident in whatever your strategy is. If you were confident in your strategy, you'll be confident enough to click the button because this is some shit that you believe in. It's some shit that you know is going to happen. So that's where it comes from. If you don't think it's going to happen, so you're getting cold feet when it's time to take the trade. If it's some shit that you know that you see all the time, if it's some shit that has played out in your face all the time, shit that you know that has some type of success, you wouldn't be scared to click the button. So right now, it sounds like whatever you're doing, it's like you don't believe in it.
Yeah.
That's where the fear of clicking the button comes from, is because you feel like you don't know what you're doing. You don't want to be wrong so bad. But if you had a strategy, if you had something that you believed in, right or wrong, you're gonna click that button every time. You feel what I'm saying?
No, you're right. You're right. Yeah.
So you have to develop the confidence as you're developing the strategy. Well, developing the strategy is what's gonna have you make you develop the confidence.
Okay. Yeah.
Does that make sense?
It does. Yeah, it kind of aligns with what Lama said. I mean, I follow all you guys on Insta. I just watch you guys' videos. You guys talk about a bunch of stuff. Like Lama said, finding the right balance between being greedy and being a bitch. Those were his words. And I feel like that's pretty important. And just trusting in my strategy because I know it works. So you're
right. What he means by being greedy and being a bitch is it's like a thin line between being smart and being risky. That's really what it is. You gotta the only way you're gonna succeed is by clicking the button. That's the only way you're gonna know if your strategy is working. That's the only way you're gonna know if you're doing the right things. You have to see the success. So whatever strategy that you're using, continue to work on it so you can build the confidence to actually click the button.
Yeah.
Point blank period. Because right now it sounds like you don't believe in it. You don't
Yeah.
believe in what you feel what I'm saying?
Yeah, confidence, just confidence in your setup. Yeah.
Exactly. So that's really all it is. Lock in on your strategy so that way you can build the confidence to click the button. All of us used to be scared to click the button, but now that we have something that we know that works, it's nothing for me to click the button. Win, lose, or draw.
Yeah.
Win, lose, or draw. Like this cell that I was in, I went in light, and I said it first, I'm going in light because I can see it going to test the gap. And when it tests the gap, I added to my position. I wasn't scared because that's something I see all the time. That's a trade I take all the time. So
Yeah.
it's nothing to me. If that makes you feel what I'm saying?
Yeah. So it also comes with like market experience, just being in the, yeah.
Well, market experience means you have some form of strategy.
True. Yeah.
That was my entry criteria. So I have experience with the strategy. So that's why it's nothing for me to like hold these type of trades, or nothing for me to, take a loss and not give a fuck. Because I'm gonna take the same trade tomorrow.
Yeah. All right. Well, I appreciate you, Coach. And Izzy
you're welcome.
too. You guys do a pretty good job with Asia, and obviously the other sessions I can't watch. I don't get to watch Power Hour because I'm in school, but
How old are you?
The
Man?
only
But he's frozen.
yeah, he froze.
Yeah, he's frozen.
my phone just died. No, I'm sorry, my fault. But
You
like I
good. I
said,
think
I
Izzy wanted
appreciate
to
all
say
you guys
something.
do.
Yeah.
And
Well, the only thing that I was gonna say, mainly is that you definitely want to backtest, and I think that's where the confidence comes from, is from backtesting your strategy so
Okay.
much that you just are able to recognize patterns, and if you can break down your strategy into like 5 steps that you can take like every day, and you repeat those same steps, because then there's no emotions attached to it. It's like it's a process, right? You check if this happened, that happened, and if that happened, and then you just click the button. Like that is what I comes with the trading plan, right?
yeah,
It's like, what are your entry criterias? And if you can't name them, then that's the problem. Like, what is the discretionary part that you're getting stuck on? And I think that's what really makes a good trading plan, if it's black and white, you know,
yeah,
at
yeah,
least whenever you start, so you don't get confused and you're afraid of touching the button.
yeah. I mean, yeah, I feel like not just don't overcomplicate it, stick to your plan. Yeah. All right. Well, thank you so much for
No
bringing
pressure,
me up
bro.
stage, letting me ask some questions, and yeah, have a good
No
one.
pressure, bro.
You too. I have a feeling we're about to inverse this gap.
Who's next? Who's next? Thinking about testing something with such a tiny ass stop.
Like buys,
No.
sells.
But I want to see something first.
I'm
I want
I'm
to see what it is first.
I'm kind of convinced on the buys, but I need to wait for the confirmation. I was looking at the 1 hour, and the 1 hour did this. It's about to eat the entire candle and inverse the whole 1 hour gap.
What's up?
Oh,
What's
Jesus.
good?
Scared me.
Oh man, how y'all doing today?
What's up? How
Doing
are
good,
you?
Brody. How you doing?
I'm stressed, but also blessed. Thank you.
That's about right.
I'm eating shit on this short right now. Definitely should have got out earlier. Uh, I've been trading now for 4 years, I just got into futures though last year. Found you guys at maybe like 8 months ago, and every single day I'm profitable, but I overtrade and I take a trade that doesn't really align with like any of my belief systems. I don't know, and I also cut trades too short for profits and too long for losses. So I'm just trying to kind of figure out why I'm doing that and what I should do to prevent it.
So the reason why you do it is because I used to do the same shit. It's because you take the profit quick because you're scared to lose it,
Right.
and you hold the losses long because you don't want to take the loss.
Right.
You still have it's in your mind that nah, bro, it has to come back down. It has to come back down, rather than just being okay with being wrong. You feel what I'm saying?
Yeah, I really have a hard time accepting like a $4 loss sometimes. It's so stupid. And I'm trading like 100 times a day.
Jesus.
I've had a couple 300 trade days, and it's clearly not working. So those numbers are weak, huh? Yeah, nah. So what do you think I should do to help, I guess, limit the trades too?
Dude, are you a hobby student? Like who?
I mean, honestly, hobby, what, like, I saw that was one of the things that motivated me when I was like, oh man, he's taking, 80 trades a day sometimes or something like that. So I was like, okay. And I was super profitable for a couple months there of just, quick scalps, rapid fire. And I don't know. Now it's just I blew like 5 funded accounts this week, and I had 3 weeks of green, and I don't know. I've just kind of recycled back into this pattern. So yeah, I mean, I got to get over this fear, I guess, of be willing to admit when I'm wrong, I guess, is what you're saying essentially.
I
And sit
mean, honestly, like, do you know why? So I kind of have an issue when people say right or wrong, right? Because Jesus, I just forgot what I was about to say. Um, because it's like it's a system, right? And the system is not 100%. It what is the criteria that invalidates your trade? That's what I was trying to say. Do you know what is like? Because it's not right or wrong. Is an invalidation.
Right.
What invalidates the trade?
I guess
Do you
break of
understand?
structure is probably a key phrase for that.
Okay, so on your case, an invalidation is a break of structure, right?
Right.
So I think you need to shift the way you're thinking about it instead of like, I'm right or I'm wrong. This is where my trade idea gets invalidated because it shows that the market is not willing to go there anymore.
Okay.
Just the same thing as for entries, right? Because why do you get into a position? Because your confluences point that this may play out.
Mm-hmm.
So it's a system base. So it's like you're not right or wrong. This is so for instance, like right here, if we closed above the fair value gap, right, it would indicate buys because it invalidates the fair value gap. If we close below, it validates the sell because it means that we're rejecting the area. So it's not about me being right or wrong, is what is the criteria for the sell, what is the criteria for the buy? And that is a strong candle closing above or below this gap because it shows a point of invalidation either for longs or for shorts.
Mm-hmm.
And period. That's it. That's why you see me marking things up, but I say like I'm not in, I'm just marking to see if we actually close. Because without a close, there's no confirmation. So it just signals that we are not willing to go there. Right? So that's the psychological aspect. It's just a willingness that we notice in price if it's willing to go there or not.
Okay.
As far as that goes. I would also have a very black and white entry and exit criteria, like we're talking about. You're like, you think is a break of structure. Like, no, you need to write it down. Like, what is the entry criteria? What is the exit criteria? What is the invalidation point? You know, and what is your max loss for the day? And why does it make sense, right? Like, let's rationalize. Why does it make sense for your max loss for the day be X amount?
Yeah, I was
Because
actually gonna ask, how do I determine that? What's a good way?
so regardless of how many trades you take a day, right? I want you to think. If I have $10,000 and I told you I'm going to spend everything in one day, or like, would you think that that's a good idea?
Probably not ideal.
Or, right. Or should I spend those $10,000 that I receive every month for 30 days? You know, that's what most people do. Like, no, you get the $10,000, you're going to spend a little bit every day so you're comfortable throughout the month, right? So that is just math. Like, we deal with that all the time. So like, let's translate it to trading. The funded accounts give you, I don't know, $5,000 in drawdown. Are you going to waste all of that in one trade or in one day? No, because that is not proper risk management, right? The proper way to look at that is like, if my average win per day is $1,000 and my max loss per day has to be half of that for it to make sense, that my daily is at the bare minimum a 1 to 2, then I need to stop at 500, because if not, I'm having a negative risk reward, and that is just not smart on the daily, right? That is not a proper way of spending money. So like, if we start looking at this on the same lens of like how you treat money that you currently have, you start looking at it in a different way, right? Coach looks at it as a lens of like, I'm happy with my $200 because I used to work a whole day to make $200.
Right.
Right. So I think there are different lenses that you can see this and like actually make a plan and sit down. And like, I used to put in a calendar, like, this is my goal for today. This is my max loss. How much did I make? How much did I lose? And actually being tuned with like how much you're actually being making and trying to achieve your goals, right? If your goal is to pass a funded account, you don't need to do that in a day. Just the same thing as not losing it in a day. You don't have to pass, you don't have to lose that account in a day. You can make it a goal to pass it in 2 weeks. But
Right.
just because you don't get there in 2 weeks, guess what? You still have 30 days because you pay for 30 days for that account. It doesn't expire for 30 days. So there is absolutely no rush for you to get there, right? So when you get to those numbers of like, okay, I made half, of my what I would be making right now, and you actually break those numbers down, because I do think that you need to have like a max profit. If you're going to take 100 trades, you need to have like a max number of like win or lose for the day, because that is the only way that you're going to stop yourself. Otherwise, you're always going to be trading nonstop. Or you got to give yourself a window of time. I'm only going to trade from 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. However many scalps I can get in that 1 hour, that's going to be it. Like, you need to have a parameter to like knowing when to stop if you're going to take 100 trades.
I mean, that's exactly what I'm struggling with, is just stopping. Like, I can't, like this morning, I cannot believe I went up 1,200, negative 1,200, up 600 below the account. I mean, what the fuck discipline is that? So I told
Right,
myself,
because you don't have a black and white plan. So when you don't have a plan, it becomes gray, right? And then you don't know what to do. You just let your emotions ride that.
mm-hmm.
You why don't you feel like $1,200 in one trade is good, or $1,200 in a day is good?
Because it's an evaluation account. I got to make 1,500 to pass it. So I'm like, oh, let's
What's $300 more?
right.
And you don't need 1,500. That's just consistency. So either way, you being $300 away from being at max consistency on the first day, it means nothing, bro. They give you literally 30 days.
Yeah.
They give you 30 days to pass the account. Nobody except for yourself gives a damn if you pass it in a day or 2 days. Because you made 1,200 and now you lost 1,200 to blow it. And who got to feel that?
Definitely
You.
me.
You got to feel that shit.
I feel it like crazy, bro. I mean, and I had 5 copy accounts on that today, so I'm really beating myself up.
Yeah. This the shit you got to go through to understand, bro. This is literally the shit you got to go through. You got to feel this type of shit, bro, because now you know what not to do the next time.
Right.
Yeah. And you
Now
can
you know,
see that you don't have like a parameter. Like Javi, I know that he's very disciplined with his accounts. Like he has, I don't fucking know how many accounts, and he's like, I'm gonna take, I don't know how many wins and how many losses in this one account, and then he switches accounts. So he has a system that works for him. Because he's like, oh, took one trade on this account. I'm going to go to the next, take one trade on that one. So he's like compounding multiple different accounts, one trade of $300.
Mm-hmm.
And he's taking 100 trades a day, but it's across, I don't fucking know, 20, 40 accounts.
Yeah, but he also has a system. He could take all those trades a day because he has a system and a strategy that he relies on. As much trades as he takes in a day, I've seen him say a bunch of times, "It's going without me. I wanted to see something else and it didn't go." Mm-hmm. You still have to have that form of discipline. Just like Izzy said, I'm pretty much the same way. I take a certain amount of trades per day. If I see a certain amount on these group of accounts, I'm gonna go to the next ones. Mm-hmm. If I lose too much on these accounts, I'm gonna go to the next ones. It's a brand new day tomorrow.
Yeah. That's it. That was actually the last 3 weeks. I had my longest streak ever, 21 days of green days, and it was because I was switching accounts after I had got my good trade. So I guess my last question is about back testing. Like, what do you think is the best way to do it? Like, what do you look for? Like, how do you I guess like read the price action? Do you take notes when you're doing back testing?
I can tell you the way that I do it. I go to the day that I want to see, and then I have a list of entry criterias, and I replay what I think like. I trade the open, so it's very easy for me at that point in time to just test 1 hour of the day, right? The 9:30. So to me, I would go to like 9:20 and play it out and watch if my criteria were being met. This got met, that got met, and then I would check on my checklist as I saw it happening.
Okay.
And then I would take a screenshot after with the markup, and then I will put that in like in a folder of an Excel sheet with a screenshot and like my notes, like this trade happened because X, Y, and Z, and this is what I need to look for, or this did not happen this day. And that is how I used to backtest. I don't backtest anymore. I think it comes to a certain point that like when you just know your strategy, you just don't need to backtest anymore.
Got it. All right, yeah, I'm gonna do a little checklist. Yeah, thank you guys. Appreciate coming up on the show. And I guess that's it for me. Thanks for not roasting me too hard, chat. I appreciate that. I know sometimes the chat can be relentless in here. I mean, You guys are definitely not as embarrassing as when Max and Lama are moaning and groaning every morning. How many times I've just like not had headphones in with a room full of people and them just going crazy.
Oh man.
Yeah, that sounds about right.
Word
That sounds
up.
about right. Just lock in, Brody. Just lock in. Stick to a trading plan. Be disciplined. That's the only way this shit's gonna work. Without your discipline, without a trading plan, you're gambling, and that's not what we do.
Word up. All right. Well, appreciate you guys.
You already know it.
Okay.
I took 300 off the table on this short, by the way. I'm fully breaking even. Fully B and E. Fully B and E. Who else wants to come up?
I'm not convinced on this short.
I mean, I'm just collecting. So
Yeah.
here comes to take me out.
I'm over here like, I feel like how this
I
gap
did
is
a game.
holding. This shit is like,
7 o'clock is about to print in about 3 minutes, so it could get wacky.
Shit work. Oh shit.
Yo, is that word?
You hear me?
Yeah, I get you.
I'll say that. I mean,
Oh, that boy suited up.
yeah. I'm in it.
Hey man, we appreciate y'all boys, man. I ain't got the balls to do it.
I don't do too much, man. I don't do too much. Well, I've been trading with y'all for like 2 years now. So ever since last, I don't know, a year and a half almost. Whatever. It's been about a year and some change. And I got to the point where I can pass an eval like nothing. Who is this Ray dude? I hate him. I can pass an eval like it's nothing. I'm not saying that I'm not profitable. I'm saying like when it gets to me trading on my funded, it's like I see the same setups, but I don't take the same. I don't know if I don't take the same trade, or is it like I don't know if I'm putting in the right amount of like contracts or not. I don't know what it be, but it's hard. You might say confused, and I'm nervous. Y'all over here judging me and shit.
Nah, hey, don't pay attention to the chat, bro.
Don't pay attention.
I ain't worried about that. I ain't worried about this shit.
Yeah, they literally be trolling, man. You good.
I'm already knowing. I don't know what the hell going on when it comes to, because I do the levels. I have like this strat assistant use a lot of shit, but when it comes to my funded, when I trade, go in like I'll take a retest off a level, a sell off a retest. You know what I'm saying? And I think that it's same trade I take on Monday when I have an eval, I take it on Wednesday when I pass the eval, the shit don't go through. You know what I'm saying? So it's like one of those things. It's like how I used to trade the orb as well. Like some days the orb will win and some days it won't. But when it don't win, I'm in Hawaii. But when it don't win, it's like that shit take my account like quick as hell. Right. And it may be me because I feel like if I did this Monday and Tuesday and it went through, Wednesday it should go through as well. And then I put more into the trade than I did on Monday and Tuesday, if that makes sense.
I was about to say, do you use the same lot size? Because it sounds like you might not.
I mean, sometimes I be cocky as hell. I do. And I try to like scale up when I'm taking that trade Monday and Tuesday, because I take the same trade. It's not like I'm trading different strategies. I'm not trading
Right.
I'm not trading
You are
orb,
not.
I'm not trading, it's the same thing
Yeah. But something is going wrong, right? So
Right.
So, and you notice that there's no consistency with your lot size.
Okay.
Right? Because if you're green 2 days, one red day should not wipe your entire profit from 2 days.
That's a fact.
Right.
That's a
So literally what you need to do is like generally stop being greedy, pick a proper lot size, know exactly how much you're going to risk, and know exactly how much you're willing to make that day. Right. So grab the orb, right? That is right. The orb is your stop loss usually, like the entire.
No, I don't even
the
trade orb. I trade out the field. I use the field. I don't even look at the orb. I got ES and NQ right beside each other. I go off of ES. Well, orb is on the side where ES is because they usually does the most bouncing and stuff, and then NQ follows. That's how I see it. But when I'm looking, I only trade NQ. When I'm looking at NQ, I only use the field. Then I like make my my FVGs myself and shit.
Well, same thing goes for it. Like you need to have a max number of trades a day,
Right.
the same lot size. Like you see that like Coach and I don't have the exact same lot size every time, but we are consistent with our risk. We are
Right.
not willing to risk more than 250. If our stop loss is small enough to fit those 250, we will go up in size. But we are still not risking more than 250 a trade.
Right.
That is not the scenario. And then we lose 2 trades, we're done for the day. $500 down. All right, that is 1% of the account, right? At a 50K.
Okay.
Done.
Mhm.
And that's the type of like system that you need to have, and the discipline that you need to have is to have like, okay, sometimes majority of the days, I'll go even with one mini and I do not change my lot size. If the opportunity comes, I might add to it, but it's like I'll go in with one mini and then a period, because I know that one mini with the way I trade is usually a 250 stop loss, so I don't have to think about it.
Right.
Because I know my bears.
So when it comes to like, because I'll trade on Tradeovate, right? I'll group trade on Tradeovate. I'm not too familiar with it because I usually just do one account at a time. But I feel like I got good enough to group trade, like, and I'm good enough to. Most days I'm good enough to take my profit and get the hell off because it'd be early as hell in the morning for me over here in Hawaii, like 3:30, 4:30 in the morning. So I gotta go to PT anyway. Like most days I'm pretty good at taking my profit and getting off. But when I do take a loss and I'm trying to get that, I say if my daily loss would to be 150, would I keep going till I get that 250, or would I just say like just forget about it? I lost that 150 for the day and then move on.
You lost the 150
That's my
for
problem.
the day. That is my opinion. You lost the 150 for the day because like you can have a max loss for the day and you can have a max win. But how many times I was like, I am so tired. I can't think straight. The market is going sideways. Then I'm like, I take one trade and I'm like, what the fuck is this bullshit? And then just like be done.
I'm out of that trade for 300, by the way, guys. I made 300 on that trade.
My buy is about to play out if we close above that. Give it one more minute and see if we close above that.
You gotta have a plan, Brody. Like she said, we're not willing to lose more than 250 in a trade.
Right.
Before I enter any contract size, I have an idea of how big my stop loss is going to be, so I know how heavy I can go. Without having that, there's no balance. You get an over leveraging, and when you pass your eval, you get a funded account. You're trying to get paid so bad that you start to lose sight of that.
Right.
I didn't become successful and was able to quit my job trying to chase big gains.
Right.
You want to worry about being consistent. If you know that 150 is your not your target, but your personal daily loss limit, when you get there, stop. Get out of the trade. You don't have to. There's no rush. There's no rush in trading, bro. There's no rush in trading. I mean, looks like you're in the military, so I know y'all get paid, right?
Yeah, I get paid. I mean, I ain't
Right.
money
So
straight.
money not the issue.
That's
Not really.
a lot.
No, it's not.
Right. So there's no rush on the trade.
Hmm.
There shouldn't be no rush. You have your bills are paid or whatever. I'm not saying that you're making X amount, but what I'm saying is you're still gonna eat regardless.
Right.
No matter what, you're still gonna eat.
Right.
No matter what, you can still put gas in your car, whatever the case may be. You can do what you need to do.
Right.
So there shouldn't be no rush on your trading.
Right.
You want to chase the consistency. That comes with the rules. You have to be consistent in your trading. You have to be consistent in your stop losses. You have to be consistent in your whole trading plan. Because now that's actually slowing you down. A lot of you guys want to get there fast, but you're doing everything to make it slower.
100%. I feel that.
So and another thing too, because you say that you passing evals like nothing.
Yeah.
If you doing the wrong thing to pass them evals, 9 times out of 10 you're gonna do the wrong thing when you get your funded account. Because I'm pretty sure, keep it real, on your evals you dropping your nuts, 20 micros or
Hell no.
what you pay.
Hell no. Yeah, I like my money. There's $60, $70 an account. Hell no. It's like when I get to it, I feel like this one thing that I feel like a lot of people do. I'm gonna speak for myself personally. Eval, like the last dude said, like I see it as a test. Like I want to pass this test. When I get to the funded, I don't know why. I'd be like, I can relax a little bit more. But I see the same setup I seen, like I said, Monday and Tuesday. Here come Wednesday, shit don't play out for me personally. But I could be looking at the wrong thing because I don't wake up at the same time to look at at the same time every day to look at the charts. You know what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
But that's just me personally. I feel like when I get to that funded, it's no more for me. It's no more test. It's like it's the real thing.
Right.
Do what you can with it. That's how I feel personally.
But do what you can with it is not getting you paid.
100%.
Do what's right.
Yeah. You do the same exact thing. Now that you got to apply more pressure actually on your funded to be more disciplined to get to the payout, because what the fuck is the point? That ass, like what the fuck is the point if you're not gonna make money? You might as well not even do the evals. Go trade demo.
Yeah.
Like, you know what I'm saying? Now that you need to actually, now that you need to like actually be tighter with like your risk management, you gotta be like sniping shit. See if that setup is good. What qualifies a good setup from a bad setup, you know? And like go back to basics. Do you need to take one trade a day?
Right.
Take one trade a day. You know, see where that gets you. Because one trade a day is gonna prevent you from like over trading and creating the habit of like not blowing the account in a day and not passing the account in a day and getting to possibly your goal. And if you do not, and if you do fail, because sometimes that does happen, then you actually have data to go back to and be like, where is it going wrong? Because right now you don't even know where it's going wrong or if it's going right.
Right.
Because
I
you're not giving.
I screenshot.
Yeah.
My bad. I didn't mean to cut off.
Oh no, you're good.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you already journal. So it's like, so you need to give your strategy the time that it needs to play out. Otherwise, you're just going to be blowing accounts left and right, deviating from your trading plan.
Right.
Or like, blowing an account in a day. Because now, if you know that your strategy works because you're doing everything right to pass the challenge, and then you get to the funded account, and now it's like, balls to the fucking wall, nothing matters, then it's like, well, you're not going to get the payout because you're not doing the right things that you were doing before.
Makes sense. I appreciate that. I needed that, I guess. I really did.
No pressure, Brody.
Yeah, no, I appreciate y'all.
Keep the grind. No pressure.
Mm-hmm. Let y'all be easy.
Yes, sir. You too, gang. Be safe.
You too.
I jumped back in on the short.
Yo, that shit looks crazy.
Because I have a
retraction
fifth level
wick.
up there that is respected. So
Yeah. And you see how we did not close above the gap? I just want to point that out.
hey Dimitri, bro, I'm trying to put you down, gang. Adopt the tag. Now, if you don't want to adopt the tag, then the only giveaway I could give you is
These nuts.
full
What?
court short. Full court short. What?
What? Who said that?
Izzy, well, you let your intrusive thoughts win you on that one. Holding this bitch. Holding this bitch. I can use tag. All right, bet. There you go. There you go. Hey, Izzy, how come you didn't use these?
These what? Nuts.
These nuts. Fuck you, Tom. Fuck you, Tom. What wrong with Izzy ass? Let's get some shit out, man. Hold on. Hey, YouTube, bro. Hey, YouTube, bro. I know for a fact I'm gonna see 100 likes when I refresh, right? Oh, I bet. I bet. I bet. I was showing good love. I bet. So this is what we gonna do. This is what we gonna do. This is exactly what we gonna do, homie. Hold on, let me set my partials. First partial for me is at 66. Next partial for me is at 21.
66. Why don't I see 6? What's 66? Am I fucking
That's
blind?
1 point above the 5-minute midline.
Oh, I found it.
1 point above the 5-minute midline. That is my first
Bro.
target.
Stop. Oh my god, my fib is not my fib, bro.
Yeah, Dimitri. Now you can ask for a giveaway. This man just spamming giveaway. Matter of fact, I got you, bro. Matter of fact, I got you. I'm about to do a giveaway right now, bro. You better hope you lucky, motherfucker. Izzy, give me a number real quick.
20.
2 sir, mama chola. $1.49. We appreciate that. 2 sir, mama chola.
Ooh.
$1.49. Tip the staff. We appreciate that. We appreciate that for shit. So what's this new fib people be talking about? A new fib. Oh, probably what I've been testing in Asia, but I haven't said anything about it yet. I'm doing back testing. Doing back testing. Give me a number, Izzy.
I said 20. Oh, another one.
I didn't hear you.
20.
Alia trades, no MOT tag. Fuck them.
21.
This says S. This says S. That's all I can see, but it says S.
I'm not
Come on
telling
up,
you
brother.
from here. Lay down. No, go lay down. You're doing just fine.
What's this man's name? Damn, all it says S, bro. I can't see shit. I'm trying to tag, bro. Oh, streamer mode enabled, so I can't see shit. What the fuck says that
You
mean?
just turn off the stream mode. It's like on the top of the display.
Where's that at?
Like on the very top, where like in the middle.
Stream mode is able. Usernames have been Trump. Wow, this shit was just sitting here this whole time.
Mm-hmm.
That's wicked work. Okay, Sasha Star Sasha Star Garter. We're rolling right now. I'm not gonna lie. We are rolling right now in this short. I'm gonna pick my own. Give me another number higher, Izzy.
100.
God damn. How many times 5 going?
God damn, you said it. I was being nice.
5 going to 120 times, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13,
What the
14,
fuck?
15.
What the fuck
16,
odd
17,
numbers have anything to do with it?
20. 20.
You guys know
Quinn
that like
Kindred.
the same like him and I don't have the same like mix up on the Discord. Like you do oh my god, I don't know. Fuck it.
Quindred, come on, bro. But there's no way y'all be joining the show and going to the store. Oh, okay. I was about to say.
Hi there.
Hi.
What's up, bro?
Hi. I will just change to my phone to be on camera.
You say you gotta switch to your phone?
Yeah. Just
Alright,
a
go ahead.
second.
Oh shit.
Hell yeah.
Juan, chill, Juan. I'm trying to give him some time now. Oh. You booty saying that, boy?
What are you taking what?
You gave him the belt?
Me? No.
Oh, okay. I was about to say. I promise you, I didn't give him the belt.
I didn't. He left himself. Yep.
Oh,
He probably was
man,
trying
that
to
brother,
join his phone and then just got out.
they might have misclicked. All right, I'm not gonna be green. Okay, there you go. I was about to say I'm gonna give him literally 45 seconds. I ain't gonna be green. I bet.
Hi there. You can hear me?
Yeah.
I can hear you, but I can't see you, player.
Let me just. Now you can see me.
Yeah, I can see you, bro. What's good? Where you from?
Where are you guys? I'm Portugal.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
So, does Portugal speak Portuguese?
Yes.
You know what a piriguete is?
Yes, I know what piriguete is. Yeah. It's a quite a name in here as well.
Let's go with piriguetes in here, man.
Yeah.
In case you want to get right.
You have to do it.
What's going on, bro? How did you trade tonight?
No, I just arrived at home now. I was out.
How did you trade this morning?
I didn't trade. I see Lama and Max doing the trade. I was at working, so I was just learning the passes to do the analysis and stuff like that.
Okay, smart man, getting the chart time, listening, trying to learn.
Yeah,
That's good.
Respect that, brother. I respect that, brother. Hey, Izzy, do me a favor and tell him in Portuguese. Congratulations, you have won an indicator. Don't hit me with that. I don't know how to say it in Portuguese. Shit. Y'all always do that, bro.
Indicator. I don't know if it's the same word. Well, parabéns. Bom, parabéns, você ganhou indicador. Vocês falam indicador?
quer ver? Sim, é um indicador que se diz.
No, because indicator or indicador can't like sometimes some words don't have direct translation. We transliterate and just say them in English.
Yeah, some words work like that, but sometimes you have to find another to
It sound like
replicate.
y'all was sneak dissing, man. Well, I feel like y'all was sneak dissing on the low.
What?
I'm gonna let it ride, bro. Congratulations, man. You want a free indicator, man. Open up a support ticket. My boy Sammy G will take care of you, all right?
Thank you.
No
See ya.
problem, bro.
Yeah.
Ciao.
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 Mm.
Ooh. I know a little something. I know a little something. I know a little something. I gotta learn Brazilian, so I gotta make sure y'all ain't sneak dissing over there. YouTube, I'm on your trail. Do me a favor and spam. I need everybody to spam Thursday. Go ahead.
While you do that, I need to pee. There's no way I can hold this for 5 more minutes.
All right, Miss Pissy, go ahead, bro. I'm still up in this short. What a C66. Point blank, period. No ifs, ands, or buts about it. No ifs, ands, buts about it. I got about 20 seconds, YouTube. That looks like he could be my son. He could be my son for sure. All right, YouTube. Oh, let me run the number. Even though the number changed, but shit, we run the number. Benjamin Marius. Congratulations, bro. Come to the Discord. Open up a support ticket. You got a 50K TPT coming your way, brother. Benjamin Marius. Congratulations, bro. W's for Benjamin Marius. W for Benjamin.
Oh, hi, puppy. Hi, beautiful. Hi.
Hey, yo, Izzy has to piss standing up, bro. There's no way. There's no way, bro.
Oh my God,
Y'all
you
boys.
guys just take too long.
Y'all boys. I don't even piss that quick.
Oh my God.
She be trying to shoot fucking threes in there. I know Izzy be pulling up from half court, bro. How many days a week do you and Izzy go live? 5. Sunday through Thursday. Sunday through Thursday. Coach, you sit and Pete, bro. Do I? I'm not even going to entertain you. I ain't even going to entertain you, gang. You got it, bro. You got it, bro.
I'm dead.
You got it, bro.
I'm dead as fuck, bro.
Who the fuck is that? That's 11? That ain't 11, bro. That's AI or he took that?
Baby, go lay down for a second. Mama will be almost done, okay?
If Coach sit down, P, maybe we could get more cell signals, bro. Nah, bro. Nah, bro. That Strat 7 only works when I take a shit, gang. 11, nah, I ain't adding you up, bro. If you took that picture for real, bro, you gotta go in timeout, gang.
Timeout is crazy.
You gotta go think about what you did, bro.
Think about
What pick? You know what pick. You know what pick on.
Beautiful. Look at this animal. Oh my goodness. Look at this animal. Oh shit. No. No, no, no,
7
no, no,
points
no.
from TP1. 7 points from TP1. Let me see
No, no,
it
no,
fall.
no,
Let me
no,
see it
no,
fall.
no, 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 not right now. Oh my god. Okay, you. You want to say hi? Say hi.
I want to see this bitch fall. I need about
No,
5 more.
no.
I need about 5 more points, bro. Don't do me like that, AQ, bro. We done been through a lot, bro. We done been through a lot. Could that be a double top liquidity sweep to then dump? Oh, TP1 smash. TP1 smash.
Woo!
TP1 smash. So now I'm taking it to 21 on everything I love. On everything I love. I'm taking this bitch to 21. We cupped another 300 there. And we rolling. We're rolling. As long as my areas hold, I got to take the trade. We bought up to an area of interest. We rejected. Entry criteria formed. I had to jump in there. Had to jump in there. Discord a little weird with the comments. I'm gonna stay here. You see what y'all done did? You see what y'all done did, bro?
I don't know what.
Come on, bro.
Hold on.
Joshua, listen, bro. I listen, bro. That's just how they are, bro.
That's fair. I cannot even blame them. I cannot even.
I don't even blame you. I don't even blame you, dog. But hey, man, that's.
Oh my god.
The guys be acting crazy. The guys be acting crazy. I can't lie.
I'm fucking dead.
Y'all scaring the whole
Discord a little.
Y'all G shit. Fucking scaring the Pedigetris gang. Y'all gotta chill, bro.
Oh my god.
All right, guys.
Oh, that was
Hold on.
way
What
too
is this?
fine.
Is this minus? Wait, minus 1400? Oh. Just past the Lucy, you guys gifted me. Good
Hell
shit,
yeah.
bro. You gotta, bro, change your adley, bro. Stop catfishing, bro. I thought you was a fucking light-skinned specimen, bro. You blacker than me.
Specimen is crazy.
Oh, Sasha Star Garden. I'm not gonna lie, you missed it. You missed it. You missed it, brother. I got a Pootie Tang. Don't take it personally.
I got a booty tanger.
Don't take it. Dimitri, you still talking about giveaways, brother? You know you haven't spelled it once this whole time that you spammed it. So just to be clear, I have stops. I'm trailing stops at 85, 585. We just hit this gap, the midline of it. So I know it can get weird right here. I know it can get weird. My stops are at 85. It looks like I'm about to get tapped out right now, which is, I mean, it is what it is. We secure 400, 4 Bs for my Florida people, one of my down south people.
Bro, this price action is trash. That ass.
Yeah, it's trash. I ain't gonna lie, that shit. It's some bullshit. It's some bullshit, but came out on top. Second time I missed it, bro. Stop joining the fucking Asia session and jumping on the grill, bro.
Jumping on the girl is crazy.
Join the Discord, bro. It's a chance you might win something. You feel me? So make sure when you're in here, because you just missed the indicator. So that is another MOT happy hour. That's another MOT happy hour in the books, the last one for the week. It is Thursday. If you guys made money with us, if you guys made money by yourselves, if you guys made money, period, congratulations. Take your profits into New York. If you guys didn't take any trades, money missed is not money lost. All right? Don't go on tilt trying to blow your account in this bullshit price action in Asia. Tomorrow's a new day. Come back with a fresh mindset. If you guys lost money, It is what it is. Chin up, chest out. You're gonna be all right. It's all part of the game. Come back tomorrow. Excuse me. My bad. Come back tomorrow with a fresh mindset. So that way, tomorrow's a new day. We have a whole New York session to be traded. It's Friday. You know what we say? Friday is for profit taking, not for blowing accounts. So make sure that you come back with the mindset of taking A+ setups only. If you guys blew your accounts, make sure you guys use code BDM. If you guys are using TPT, use code P2P or BDM. Pick your poison. Make sure that you guys tip the staff. The staff works solely off tips. They've been holding it down in here every single day, not missing a beat, doing their thing. Support the staff because it's very much appreciated. If you guys need your education, make sure you guys lock in on a course. We have the Mastermind course. We have P2P. We have Izzy's high and low model. We have Logan's Battalion. Whatever your style of trading is, we have a coaching, not a coaching, we have a course for it. If you guys do need coaching, make sure you guys lock in with a mentor and get your coaching. You can get one from me. You can get one from Izzy. You can get one from Javi, Logan, Jake. Whatever your style of trading is, we have the mentor for it. Lock in with a coach, find your mentor that you like, and lock in. It's going to be hard to do it by yourself, all right? Make sure you guys check out that Max Options Trading website, the new website. It is up and it is running, and it has everything that you guys need on there, from accounts to comparing accounts to all of your questions that you probably are going to ask the mods anyway. They're probably in there. Make sure you check out our indicators as well. We have plenty of different indicators, find on some of the best signals in the game. So check them out. Check them out if you need an indicator. All of our indicators have been hitting quantum, PHP, P2P, the MVGs, all of them. So make sure you guys check it out. Even talk with some of your peers in the Discord to see what they think about it that matches your style of trading. All right. Izzy, you got something you want to highlight about?
Well, guys, this is the last day. This is our Friday. And let's fucking get it. And we'll see you guys on Sunday. Don't forget to tip the staff. They work solely off tips. And we appreciate all of you. And we'll see you on Sunday.
Taken out of that trade, by the way. I'm up a band. Study group, I'm going to see y'all in the morning. Pre-market, I'm going to see y'all in the morning. YouTube, the rest of y'all, I'm going to catch y'all in the comment section. Habiba. Drop that, my bad. Drop that smooth shit, man.
She said take a left on Rodeo. Only with the bros, see the rainbow. She took me to the hideout, where the killers and the traitors. She said you better say your prayers. I said hallelujah. She said take a left on Rodeo, with the Brazilian rainbow. She took me to the hideout, where the killers and the traitors. She said you better say your prayers. I said hallelujah.
The Underground Railroad, where the G's and the B's go. The OGs know that. The OGs know that. Koach and Izzy, they know. Where the P2Ps go. The OGs go there.
I just found my people. I just found my people. Yeah.
The Underground Railroad.
To the ground, railroad.
Yeah, yeah. Oh, I say hallelujah. Pull up to the function with the gang, riding in a Maybach with the case, catching all these Porsches, what the play, roll up on the block, we getting paid. We just got off a flight from LA. Welcome to the underground, hey. This a sacred place.
Oh yeah, yeah.
I might hit a lick, I might trade a brick, with the G's and the B's, and we cashing out on trees, cause I came with spicy G's. And we bout to run it up, cause you know it's us. The Underground Railroad, where the G's and the B's go. OGs know that. OGs know that. OGs know that. OGs know that. Koach and Izzy, they know. Where the P2Ps go. The PCPs. OGs know that. OGs know that. OGs know that. Koach and Izzy, they know. Where the BGP go?